Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Hidayatul Mustafid, Prodi Teknik Informatika, semester NIM 1612400004275. Prodi Introduction. Reading is process of thinking. Reading is very complex and complicated process that involves some factor influential upon each other. The student have skills in inferential reading. Comprehension. The profession has opinion that reading habit in English supports the student to be able to comprehend the text. That is the research which to show that reading habit in English is very important to support inferential reading comprehension. Noonan 1912 states reading is usually conceived as solitary activities in which the reader interacts with text in isolation. It can infer that reading is not only looking at words in the form of graphic symbol, but reading is a communication process that involves an enjoyment of a reader to interest with text. Reading is also an activity that is active receptive language. It is said to be activities because in the act of reading there is really an interaction between reader and reader, and said to be receptive because the reader acts as receiver of the message in a correlation of communication between reader and reader directly. For students, reading is also instrumental in the various kinds of advanced science and technology continues to evolve. Through reading and advance in science and technology can be known and understood before it can be applied. Reading is one of the four basic language skills and is a part or component of the communication. According to Wells and Larson 1912, reading is multi-faceted process which can be described at various times and developmental stage as a thinking process. Reading ability is the main concern to be able to read English textbooks, journals, and reference at since most of textbooks and references are written in English. Many students who find that difficulties in comprehending them usually have their text translated or extracted. It would be better if they can do it by themselves rather than depend on their English teacher. Nielsen 2012 defines habit as habit is behavior that has been reported in the until it has become automatic, enacted without proposal thinking, allergy without any sense of awareness. According to Gordon 2012, habit is an abstract theory. In the habit theory, three sounds correct definition. In habit, people repeat action without concerning with the self-concept must happen. Research is quantitative research The reason tends to find out whether there is any significant positive recursion between student reading habit analysis and their reading comprehension ability. The sake of this reason is exposed to realization study. The population of this reason was 30 students of the first grade of SMP PGRI 1 Gunung Pelidung, asal Lampung in academic years 2015. The sample was determined through simple random sampling technique, that is lottery technique. Questionnaire and tests were used as the instruments of this research. First reading habit questionnaire which give to the student is in the form of closed questionnaire. The aim of this test is to know the student reading habit score. Second reading comprehension test was conducted to measure student reading comprehension ability. The test is based on the aspect of reading such as main idea, finding detailed information, inference, reference, and vocabulary. The data were analyzed by using Operation Products Moment Correlation of SPSS, Statistical Pegging of Social Science, version 160. The result from the calculation by using Operation Products Moment Correlation SPSS 160 showed that for the habit of reading in English. In general, students have high level of reading habit in English. This is evident from the 30 students. There are 17 students 50%. What score between 3, 4, 6, 7. Medium level 1, 5 student get high level recurrence and no one of student is the on level. Frequency reading habit in English. Table 1. Result of reading habit questionnaire. Simple reading comprehension ability almost all students have the ability to reading high level understanding. The high score again in the reading ability test is 9.5 and the lowest score is 4.5. The total score is 2.6, while the mean score of student reading comprehension test is 7.4. This is evident from the 3 students. There are 1.9 students who have the ability to reading high level of understanding, and 1 student have the ability to read medium level understanding. It means that 3.667% and medium level in reading comprehension skill and 6.333% had high level in reading comprehension skill. It can be scanned from the table 2. The result of reading comprehension test. Class nerve frequency percentage level. Therefore, on the result of reading habit analysis and reading comprehension ability and from the aspect of reading based on the high level and low level in students who have a good or high level in ability are good in all of aspect of reading, main idea, feeding detailed information, inference, reference, and vocabulary. Where students who have mid or low level in reading habit in this get score level lower than students who have good or high level in 5 aspects or reading. Table 3. The percentage of correct answer from 5 aspects of reading in high level. Table 4. The percent of correct answer from 5 aspects of reading in low level. Table 5. the presence of indication of reading habit questionnaire. From the table, 3 hexagonal present the correction answer of main immediate items is 69 to 662 7.667%. Feeding data information items, information item, reference item, and vocabulary is it can state that its student will have high level or good habit in reading or are good in aspect or of reading. Table 6. A table of present products moment. The value of RX was 0.642 with the level is significant table or the level is significant of table. It can be understood that reserved as higher than irritable. In other words, the story reading habit and English has correlation with higher reading comprehension ability. In means that student will good score in reading habit in English. Discussion. The results show that student reading habit in English and the student reading comprehension ability has positive and significant correlation. For the habit of reading in English, student general have high level of reading habit, and the result of reading comprehension ability, almost all students have the ability to read high level understanding. While the data in this research show that the correlation is high, the follow show the degree of significance. In other words, the student reading habit in English has a correlation with their reading comprehension ability. It imagines that students who get good score in reading habit are able to get good score in reading comprehension. Students who have good or high level in habit are good in all aspects of reading, main idea, finding, and data information. Solution. After condition the research at the first grade student of SMP PGRI once Gunung Pelidu at Lampung and analyzing the dates, the research condition and measure. Inclusion. The value R count is 0.642. It means that hypothesis which the test as a positive correlation and high correlation based on the criteria of product moment. The research can get the consolation that the student reading habit in English and the student reading comprehension ability in first grade of SMP PGRI 1 Gunung Pelidu as Lampung at academic years 2015-2016 have positive 6 significant correlation. The student reading habit in English give good effects on the student reading comprehension ability. Or more of habit and comprehension can be used to motivate the student to create a positive and relevant environment in the classroom. Based on the result of analysis on the answer on the questionnaire, it is known that half of students have good or high level or reading habit and some other have bad or low level or reading habit in English. From the analysis of the student reading comprehension ability, it is known that some students have good or high level in reading comprehension ability and some students have bad or level in reading comprehension ability. Situation. Some situations could be list of followers. 1. Follow for learning and teaching. 2. English teacher explain to motivate their students to spend much time to read it. On way for reading to read reader is by increasing reading habit in English. Reading in English is on the way to improve student reading comprehension because habit in English is a medium that is easily got by the contact of authentic vocabulary from the reader. 3. To give their student popular and English texts. 4. Teacher make the learning student more enjoy and fun. For the student will be keeping their having in English because it has been proven that English can make. For research. 1. It is complete that it will be useful to the readers, especially as a reference that correlates with the variable in this research. 2. The research which is that for other researchers conducting the same to study on whether area of the research, so the result will have more advanced and can be applied in large area of the research. Reference. Grades B2012 habit analysis automatic dan now none. Language methodology. Sane, MNC, and Grino. Organizational behave and ability. Simon Judak. Develop reading skill for ESL student. Village and Larson. Technically and principles in teaching reading. Sekian dan terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.